I'm finished. I'm throwing in the towel.
Hey guys, so this is how the boat came. Like it's in bad shape. There's probably three, four layers of paint on it, but the only way we're gonna find out is if we get in and get after it. Let's see what's happening. So this is after we finally got it stripped down. It was a process. This is me, got it all taped off, starting to put the bed liner on the bottom of it. Just about finished here, man. Got a few more final touches to put on it, and this is when I taped it off and started applying the tan camouflage paint to the side. Just about done. Still working. A little bit more work to get done. Now we start on the inside. Had to go pick up a few more cans of paint. I think it took about five or six to do the whole boat. Uh, this was me prepping. It's prep work that I did, vacuuming, acetone wash before we started painting. Um, just about done. The inside. This was this morning. Have to go get some more paint and finally putting the letters on. So finally got it done. 3 days, lots of paint, lots of time.
It's been 3 days. Had to strip a lot of paint off. So running back and forth to Home Depot, getting stripper, pressure washer. But on the bottom, what we did is get the bed liner for trucks. So it's black on the bottom, and this is like a khaki camouflage. We did the sides and the inside. Had to replace the letters. I don't even know if they're gonna stick because this paint feels kind of gritty. But we're just gonna let it dry and see what happens. I got a few things I need to finish on the trailer. I got to rewire it, and I'm gonna try to put the boat on there and just give it a few days where it can just dry without being bothered. I don't want it sitting outside in the rain. But yeah, it's been a process. Learned a lot, but it kept me busy. So you guys be sure to like, share, and subscribe. RDP out.